Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you would like to, please subscribe down below. I would like to discuss beauty boxes with you today. I have subscribed to Birchbox and Ipsy for a while, and I had canceled my subscription probably last year, I believe it was. It just didn't seem worth the price anymore, especially since I was getting stuff that I wouldn't use. So I want to show you guys an alternative that I found that I actually really like, and it is the Target Beauty Box. This is $7, and they're done monthly, and you can get them at Target.com. And I've already looked in here just because there's strong scent coming from them, and I had to make sure what's in it didn't leak, which I will explain in a minute. In the box, you get your information card, which this says your Autumn It Kit. That's the name of the October kit. And inside it, we have 2 L'Oreal Paris Colorista hair makeup samples in hot pink and raspberry. It's just a little sample package that you just comb through your hair. I'm really excited to try those. Next up we have Crest 3D White Brilliance. Not too exciting of an item, but you know, I'll use it. I mean, who doesn't use toothpaste? Next up we have the Vaseline Extreme Dry Skin Rescue Lotion. Just a small little bottle. Perfect for my purse. This, I'm gonna butcher. Lumine Intense Hydration 24-Hour Moisture. It's just a tiny little bottle, so it looks like. Then we also have No. 7 Laboratories Line Correcting Booster Serum. Tiny little bottle of that as well. Ardell Faux Mink eyelashes, and there's actually 2 pairs in here, so that's pretty cool. I don't know if that's focusing on that or not. And what smells so amazing in here that made me look in here to make sure nothing leaked is the set of Head and Shoulders Shampoo and Conditioner Royal Oils Moisture Renewal, and it smells so good. I can't even explain it. It's a very floral smell, I'd say, probably. It's, I kind of want to say like a hyacinth with like, I really don't know. I can't explain the smell. It's amazing. It's really strong though. But this is what the shampoo and conditioner bottles look like. That is a storm going on outside if you can hear the background noise. Anyway, so there's the shampoo and conditioner of those, which is really awesome. Make sure we got everything in here. And just so you know, it does come with a $3 off coupon for $3 off your next beauty purchase of $15 or more of cosmetics, skincare, or hair care, either online or in the store at Target, which, I mean, it's easy to get to $15, so that's going to be a really good coupon. So in here we should have the Head and Shoulders shampoo and conditioner, which we definitely got. Next it says the Nordic Lumen Hydro 24-Hour Moisturizer, which got that as well. L'Oreal Paris Colorista Hot Pink and Raspberry. Got those. Then the No. 7 Laboratories Line Correct Serum, which is this one. Vaseline Extremely Dry Skin Rescue. That. The Crest 3D White Brilliance. Right here. And the Ardell False Lashes. And honestly, for $7, that's actually quite a bit of stuff. I feel like that's more than you get in Birchbox or Ipsy. Which, of course, you know, Ipsy is more makeup. Birchbox is kind of random mixes of stuff. But I honestly feel like for $7, it's a really awesome value. This is, I think, the 3rd or 4th one of these that I've gotten, and I've been pretty happy with all of them. And, you know, I really can't say anything against $7. And it's free shipping too, so it's nothing extra to ship it to you, and it's really awesome.